Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, today we're putting down Hydr8 and Compaction Cure. You can find both of these on the yardmastery.com app. Check it out. So it's called Hydr8 Liquicure. And this, my friends, is replacing Hydretain. And together, Hydr8 and Compaction Cure, for me, they're both replacing the need for FourPlay. Next runner-up, Compaction Cure. This is a new one for me as well. It's got a little bit of potassium hydroxide in there, which will kind of break down the soil and the thatch, if you will, breaking those bonds down chemically. It has humic and fulvic biostimulants. It's got kelp, which feeds the microbes, and it stimulates deeper, strong roots. So long story short, I'm mixing the two of these bad boys together for my little cocktail, jam-packed with micronutrients, feeding the soil, the roots, and the grass overall. And this is great for spring and fall. Hydr8, I'm putting in about 3 ounces per gallon or per 1,000 square feet. And then for the Compaction Cure, I'm putting in about 8 to 12 ounces per 1,000 or per 1 gallon of water mixed in my backpack sprayer tank. Okay, folks, don't forget to water it in. So in the spring and summer, wherever you're at, if you're having trouble with high heat, heavy sun, drought, dry spells, not enough rain, not enough water retention, compacted soils, why don't you give Hydr8 a chance? And why don't you give Compaction Cure a chance? And have some fun. Mix the two together. Hydr8 is clear. You can't really see that one come out. And Compaction Cure, let me tell you what, that is thick and brown. And boy, oh boy, does it smell like success. So, shout out to yardmastery.com. Shout out to N-Ext Products. Shout out to John Perry. And a shout out to Al Hain, legend. Love you guys. Keep them coming. Keep these amazing products coming for us lawn nuts. Do me a favor, stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see some really good B-roll of how the grass looks in the evening as the sun is setting and as it's wet. It looks pretty nice, let me tell you what.
Us down. We chose and we choose the life we have.
Don't forget to subscribe and like, and leave a comment on what kind of video you'd like to see next.